Corrosion around fasteners can seriously mess up your home projects if you don't catch it early, so knowing how to handle it is key. Alright, so first off, when you spot corrosion around your screws or nails, don't just ignore it because it only gets worse. Start by swapping out those rusty fasteners with stainless steel ones since they resist rust and last way longer. Before putting in the new fasteners, it's smart to clean the area really well to get rid of any leftover corrosion or dirt. Next, slather on a good waterproof sealant around the fasteners to keep moisture from sneaking in and causing more rust. If you're working outside, make sure you pick fasteners made for exterior use because they're designed to handle weather better. Also, try not to over-tighten the fasteners since that can crack the sealant or the material around it, creating spots for water to get in. Keep an eye on those areas every few months so you can catch any new corrosion before it becomes a bigger headache. Lastly, if you're painting over the fasteners or surrounding wood, use rust-inhibiting primer to add another layer of protection. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with corrosion around fasteners is using regular steel fasteners instead of stainless steel, which just invites rust back faster. Fix this by always choosing stainless or galvanized options for durability. Another common problem is skipping the sealant step. Sealant is what blocks moisture from causing damage, so don't skip it if you want your fixes to last. The third issue is ignoring early signs of corrosion until it's too late, which can lead to bigger structural damage. Catch problems early by inspecting fastener areas regularly and addressing any rust as soon as you see it. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle, helping you get your home repairs done right. Plus, it's awesome for contractors looking to connect with real customers and grow their business in a straightforward way.